Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up social links for your vehicle booking management system. Adding your social media links makes it easy for customers to find and connect with your business beyond the platform, helping you build a stronger online presence. Let's get started. Under the Features section, click on Social Links to open this area. Click on Select Media Icon field to choose an icon that represents the social platform you're linking. For example, Facebook, Instagram, or X. Pick the icon that matches the feature from the available options. Click on the URL field and paste in the web address for that social link. Double-check it's correct, since this is exactly what customers will be taken to when they click it. Click Add Social Link if you'd like to include another one. You can repeat this for every platform your business is active on. Once you've added all your social links, click Save Changes to apply and save your social links. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.